Meet Frank. Frank is a factory manager. He works hard to maintain efficiency and profitability for his company. But Frank has a problem. He notices that lots of workers only care about their own specific job and don't think about what impact their role has on the bigger picture. For example, just a few weeks back, quality control made some changes to their specifications and forgot to notify the technical design team. For several days, subpar products were being passed through, such an unnecessary waste of money and resources. This problem could easily have been resolved if there was more transparency and communication. Frank needs a tool that will help him get a better handle on what's happening day to day on the factory floor. He could then make sure everyone knows of any important developments that would impact their work. Someone told Frank about Visual Factory's simple-to-use, plug-and-play solution that gives factory managers a visual picture of what's happening day to day on the factory floor. Frank is excited. The Visual Factory's tool is easy to install and simple to master. What's more, with the benefits to be gained from having fewer miscommunications, the product would pay for itself in a short amount of time. Bottom line, Visual Factory's solution will help to boost efficiency and profits. Frank will be happy, and so will his bosses. Why not try Visual Factories for yourself? Organize a free demo at visual-factories.com and see how it could boost your profitability.